Wait, what do I do now? Oh, alright. Yo. I'm actually really digging this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright. What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. Alright, so I am feeling like a piece of crap. I don't feel good at all, but I got something in the mail today and I'm pretty excited about it. So, you know, let's open it up. Actually, I already opened it up because I was a little bit nervous because when I got the package, one of the seals, like one of the tapes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of tape on this box, and one of them was already cut, but it wasn't like a straight cut, so I was kind of like worried about it. But so I like opened it to make sure everything was good, and if it wasn't, then I was gonna return it. But everything's good, or at least everything looks good. But you know, let's get right into it. All right, guys. So I don't want to lift it. I'm gonna need to cut that. No, I'm joking. It didn't even show the address. All right. So guys, as you can see right here, this is it says MGP. All right. See that? It says MGP Mad Gear Action Sports. Mad Gear, guys. This is the VX8 Nitro. Ooh. Can you guys see that? All right. So I know that the VX9 just barely came out. But personally, just in my personal opinion, I love the new decks. They look amazing, and the bars look amazing as well. So does everything on it. But personally, I love these bars that you will see when I open it up. Hold up. Oh, it's on this side. I can't show you guys the sticker or tell you the colorway yet because the sticker is on the side with my address on it, and I can't show you guys that because yeah, and I would just like take this little like sticker off, but they freaking wrote the address on the box. So yeah, and it's like really big. It's like this big. I'm not trying to take that off. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this on the floor just so I can like see it, and then I need my knife. We're gonna put the armrest down just because I feel like resting my arms. And then let's open it up. Oh, wait, I forget. I already opened it. Alright, guys. So, if you don't know, you know, Mad Gear is, like, my favorite brand. There's like, a few brands that I really love. One of them is Screw USA. That's probably my top. Not even gonna lie, Screw USA is probably my favorite. And then MGP. And then, I don't know, there's 3. It's there's no rank. Because, like, they all have different things, you know? Like, S1 has protection, but, like, they're the best protection in the game. Alright, so it's Screw USA, S1, and Mad Gear. Those are my favorites. So I'm gonna cut. Alright, I'm gonna cut this, but, so, I want to take it out, but I don't want you guys to see the color of the deck yet. But I don't know how to. Pretty sure. Oh yeah, I could just take it off. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, I'm gonna have to cut it off. I mean, like, that's all good. Like, it's not really like a bother. But like, still, you know. Ooh, got it. Oh shit, I'm gonna need that. All right, so we're gonna put that deck in the bag or in the box one more time. All right, so these look like kind of like honestly like regular T-bars, but they're not. So we're gonna turn around just so this like. Oh my goodness, guys, these bars right here. I love these bars so much. I actually love them so much. Alright, so let's take. Nah, we're gonna leave this on. So these grips are black. They have black bar ends. Yeah. So they have black bar ends. You can see it much better in the camera than I can see. You have black bar ends. It's the same grip on both sides. You have this little Mad Gear imprint, like it's like an imprintment. These are like kind of like the Vault bend bars. Oh, they're so amazing. I love how they look. They got this warning sticker. I'm gonna take it off. I don't know if I want to take this off yet, just cause. I don't know what this clamp is called. Okay, well, it's a good looking clamp, that's for sure. So it is a 2 clamp, guys, but it is like, it's like bigger, I would say. I'm just gonna take it off because you guys can't even see it. So hold up. Ooh, oh no, you guys found out. I'm in my garage, guys. I'm filming a video. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is a double clamp. What the heck? Yo. The bars are like, I'm gonna need to like put like a flashlight in there because they're not like, it's not like fully round. It's like, you see that? It's like bumpy all the way without it, or all the way throughout it. These are 5mm bolts, I believe. They look like 5. If not, then they're 4. But they are, you know, very they don't strip easy. These grips are 150 millimeters long. I personally like my grips shorter just because, like, I don't know how to say it, but like that my hands are like out farther and it's like easier to do tail whips. So we're gonna set these right here, which is why I did not take off the thing on the bottom. On the grips. Okay, now like my favorite part, this, because you know, like bars, you know, there's like a few basic colors, like raw, black, and I think those are the only colors that I've had is raw or black. So yeah, hold up, I just gotta take this little piece off, and then, alright, so this is the deck that I got. You know, I really like it. It looks like really strong. You know, no, I'm just joking, guys. I'm joking. All right, so get that box out of here. All right, so I don't know if I want to take this off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, guys. So what the heck is this? Hold up. What does it even say? Oh, it's my batch code and item number. Okay, guys, I weigh 221 pounds, so I can't ride this. I'm joking, I do not weigh that much. Alright, so first, I've never ever seen one of these decks before, ever. You know, like I've never seen one of these decks before from Mad Gear. Personally, oh, it looks so good. It's like, I thought it was gonna kind of look like yellow, just because it kind of looked yellow in the pictures, on Mad Gear's website. Like you can't really see like the gold, from that, but like these things, yeah, these things, wow, bro. All right, so it says RZ18. So it looks like an FSA helmet. Not helmet. Oh my goodness. What am I? I'm so tired, guys. I want to get my cast off. Yeah. So I bought a new scooter with a cast on. Yeah. All right. So last year's model, they had the cutouts in the middle, but they took them out this year, and I think they look pretty good. The fork, guys, looks really good. It's kind of tight, not gonna lie. But you know, then we have the brake. I really do like the Mad Gear brakes. And then we have like the back wheel. You can't really see it. You can't really see it spin. Personally. All right, and then we have like deck plugs, like right here. Mad Gear does have like one of the longest, like, deck ends, like from right here to right here that I've seen. In a lot of scooters. This is 4.8 wide by 20.5 long. I really dig it. It looks really good, guys. Personally, it's not too heavy. Like, it's not too heavy. I'd say maybe like 4 pounds, 5 pounds, maybe. Something like that. Then the, Mad Gear head tube. No other company has this head tube. I really dig it. Alright, so let's see what else is in this box, because I haven't looked. It looks like we got a Mad Gear tool. Alright, so it's gonna take me a while to open this. Look at my hair, bro. It looks so good. If it's windy out, guys, and you can hear that, I'm sorry. Like, it's like 50-mile-an-hour winds today. So yeah. Okay. Yo, dude, this paper does not smell good. Alright, so what is this? This is warranty registration. I don't know what this means. Alright, so I got 2. I don't know if I'm supposed to get 2. Where's the English side? Oh, yo, guys, it tells me how to put together my scooter. I definitely need that, because I never ridden a scooter before. So we got this nice looking tool. Not even gonna lie, I'm pretty sure this tool can put together the entire scooter. It's in like this little case. It's actually kind of nice. Not gonna lie. It looks like a 5. Is it a 6? It might be a 6. Hold up. No, this is definitely a 5, guys. This is a 5 size Allen. Alright, so I'm going to loosen the compression just a tiny bit, just because personally I like the compression a tiny bit looser. What the? You know what, dog? Alright, hold up. I'm gonna go get a piece that I can loosen my stuff. Oh no, I'm not putting it on the floor. So if you guys do not know, I sanded my helmet a while back, and I have not showed anybody. And this video is not going up until I am healed. So none of you guys are even gonna see this until I'm like fully healed up, which is when I'm gonna be posting this. I'm still hopping around, guys. Okay. My goodness. Oop, shoot. I think I just tightened it, dude. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to stand up to do this. Oh, dude, I'm still recording.
Hey guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe for that banger.